How we doing, everyone? We are back again. We got another 2 tickets here. This time we got 2 of the $20 230 million cash explosion ticket from the Arizona Lottery. Now we have the overall odds on this one are going to be 1 in 3.09. The prizes there range from $20 up to the top prize of $2.5 million. Let's go ahead and turn these back over. Today we have tickets numbers 8 and 9. We're going to start with ticket number 8 here. Ticket here, we're just looking to reveal that bag of cash symbol there to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. And if we hit that 20x, we gotta hope and pray it's not the Arizona Lottery special with the $1 under it. Alright guys, enough talking. Let's get into it and get some wins here. This is ticket number 8. 41, 21, 16, 12, 32, 10, 29. Alright, can we do it today, guys? 4, 2, 40. There's my lucky 44. Not going to help us out on this one. 19. 6, 14, 37, 47, 25. 46, 26, 22, 27, 34. Yes, we got 2 rows left here. Can we pull something out of this first ticket? 24, 35, 33, 50, 36, 39, 17, 42, 28, and in the corner we got 49. Alright guys, it looks like ticket 8 here, the first ticket is going to be a loser. We will set that to the side. Move on to ticket number 9 here. We got 23, 45, 24, 37, 11, 46, and 8. Alright. Start out with a 30, 35, 28, 31, 40. Nothing there. 9, 16, 29, 33. My lucky 44 again, not helping us out today. 25, 13, 19, 22, 1. Alright, we got 2 rows left, guys. Let's see, can we do it? Can we pull it off? 36, 48, 5, 18, 34, last row, 10, 42, 32, 43, 3. Alright guys, nothing this time. We spent a total of 40 and we lost it all. This session was a complete dud. We tried. These tickets here have been getting tough. Ever since they came out, they were really good in the beginning. They've slowed down and now they've pretty much stopped paying out, at least for me. So as always, guys, if you would, consider hitting that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you all on the next one. Have a good night, everyone.